ALGO Prime Magnus. This is November 25th, 2015. I decided to throw up a different instrument today, crude oil futures CL. Today we started around 7 o'clock, didn't actually have any trades. This is where we did the market open, and you'll see the coloration for the trend background begins right here. The strategy, of course, doesn't begin trading until all time frames are synchronized, and in this case we are using 3 time frames, a trend, a pullback, and an entry. So we see the first trade that was entered was right around 957, and this made good on both contracts. Again, we're scalping the crude oil market. You can only do that really with an automated system, and I decided to leave it on today right into crude inventories. I just wanted to see how well the system would react, to see if it would create any problems, and it didn't. It did quite well. Of course, we got slipped right here as soon as the 1030 crude inventories was released. We got slipped a pretty good deal. The entry was supposed to be down here at 41.92, and we got slipped on both contracts by quite a bit. But the market quickly made those up, and we took a profit, and I left it in, and it took another trade right here in which we did not get slipped. It looks like it hit, pulled back down, and then continued up. The next trade came in at 1033, again for profitability. This, I think, might have been the only loss of the day right here, around 1040. And then continuing on, almost up to noon, we had 2 quick trades right here. No, 3 trades for scalp, for profit. Other 2 quick trades on into the afternoon. After 1 o'clock, we had another quick trade for profit. Another short trade right at 2 o'clock. And then I simply disabled the strategy right around pit closing. So all in all, we did $970, better than I anticipated. And again, anybody using this strategy, when it's released, I don't encourage you to leave it on. Certainly not to set and forget. That would be rather foolish. But we're just testing the robustness of the system. For some traders, they may say, hey, I'm satisfied with my profit, and decide to turn it off. I think it's always a good idea not to run risk to your account. And when you've got some suitable profit for the day, if you're going to risk 1 to 2%, you make 1 or 2% on your account, then it's a good time to shut it off. Well, listen, if you need to contact me, you can at contact@algoprime.com. If you are interested in the system, it'll be a turnkey system, but there are also adjustments that allow our traders to finagle and finesse the entries should they choose to do that. Even though it's fully automated on a separate chart, you're also free to move your exits or your targets around, as long as you don't interrupt the strategy by pulling any of the targets or the exits into the strategy while it's working. It'll be fine. So contact@algoprime.com if you need to reach me, and thank you for watching.